Hello guys, since we have already made a few video talking about one and one iNose or just iNose as a hosting provider, why not appears the web codes and dive into the what the iNose website builder has to offer. Is it a modern user-friendly tool with affordable pricing or something you should skip entirely and run to another option? All these questions and more will be answered in my iNose website builder review. Anyway, for everybody else, we will start this I know review by looking at the very first part of building your website. Choosing a good looking template I know does not go wild with its template. Though there are only a handful of them, the design here are clean and tailored for business or portfolio need. That said, creatives are not left out. There are full colorful modern looking template as well. I also appreciated that you can preview how templates will look on a phone or tablet before making your choice. You have probably noticed that the gain text at the top of that keeps screaming AI. So let's look at what the iKnows AI website builder offer. It work with prompts, so we can enter a description and then select a tone. After this, there are quick setup for color, fonts and your website info. Then we get quite a good looking selection of design. Now not every generated template is a winner, so you might want to play around with the prompts and setup. Overall, I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised by the style of template and the modern approach with AI integration. It's plus for AI knows. You have the main menu on the left with all you need: app market, web editor, e-commerce and email marketing. I have to give a small bonus point for the easy nearly accessible analytics. However, the app market could use more apps right now. It's mainly offer translate and booking ad one. So while it's not the best website builder for small business, it's still a solid choice for loading landing page, Spotify, or local business site. Next, let's dive into website editor before exploring the best other tool available. If we go to the dashboard and click edit website, we get to the editor. It's an interesting approach there, I say quite unique. The most attention grabbing feature is the preview, which show a similar version of your site while scrolling. Quite a neat idea. The content tab allow you to mess with website structure, editing pre-made section or rearranging them. However, there are no drag and drop control or individual element replacement placement. The editor grades you with a rather unusual design approach. If you navigate to selection setting, then to element and activate it. This mode you will be able to move element freely, similar to Wix or Hostinger. As a for the individual element you can add the selection. It's not extensive but it's decent in an interesting design choice. Switching mode does not change the entire editor. It's only effective the specific section you are working on. This mean you can mix drag and drop selection with more straightforward pre-made option. One on hand, you need to activate the drag and drop mode for each section individually. If you want to use it as across your entire site, you can use AI with any text element by simple double clicking on it. This bring out the standard font editor option and an AI helper. You can also improve text based on tone, but you cannot really give any other parameters here. Continuing with the theme, you can create an image with AI. If you go to replace any image currently, you can only enter a prompt. There are no reference image or style option, and the quality is more cartoonish than real, so I don't know how much I would recommend using it. A better thing is the I know stock picture that offer realistic, more looking royalty free image, so you do not need to worry about licenses or other stuff. Overall, when there are some interesting decisions, the I know website builder editor feel and control like a modern beginner friendly tool. Everything else here is a quite self-explanatory. The style tab allow you to customize color, fonts, and other small options. The page tab lets you customize the structure of your site or add new page. And of course, the shop is for product management. Creating a successful online store begin